Hi guys, this is Paula and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing how to make Tinolang Tahong or mussels in ginger broth. For our ingredients, we need 500 grams shelled tahong, 1 thumb-sized ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 medium-sized onion, 100 grams spinach or malunggay or chili leaves kung meron kayo, 3 tablespoon fish sauce or patis, 2 tablespoon cooking oil, 4 cups of water, and salt and pepper. When you buy mussels, look for mussels that are tightly closed. That's a good sign of freshness. Pick up each mussel and check that it's firmly closed. Discard any mussels that are open because they can make you sick. Scrub or brush each mussel clean with a stiff brush to get rid of any sand or barnacles. Pull off the hairy beard that sticks out from the shell if it has one. Rinse the mussels under cool tap water and set aside. Remember, do not leave your mussels soaking in tap water. They will die and that's not what you want. Okay, let's get started.